idea came to us in a dream several years ago. A vision that continued to linger in our minds. Gliding down the street, switching between walking and skating with ease. How fun and thrilling that experience could be. We knew we had to make Walkwing a reality. Walkwing was designed in collaboration with seasoned shoe designers and automotive engineers to pair comfort with mechanical innovation. Our product is ready, but we need your support to begin production. We are not merely asking for a handout. By backing our project, you will receive your very own first edition pair of Walkwing. Not only that, you will enable us to continue development of cool additional features we currently have planned. But all this is possible only if we meet our campaign goal. Come share our dream. Be a part of our journey. Be the first to experience Walkwing.
But I won't go, no I won't go. You ain't never gonna slow me down, cause I feel alive now.
curved. Rains may be cold, but we don't feel like turning back home. We'll rise sorry, there's no need to hurry. Sing songs free, cause we don't feel like turning back home. Days may be bad and winds may be blowing. Nights may be dark, but sorry. This is the only story. We'll take it easy. We don't feel like turning back home.
In motorcycle, we have seen that there's a problem in everyday transport. People compete for bigger and faster cars. Welcome to capitalism, where big companies have big budgets to convince you buying their products. However, those vehicles create a worse environment for the future generation. The motorcycles are expensive if we add gas, insurance, parkings, mechanics. The bike is just too difficult to handle in your flat, and in the streets it is just too dangerous. You probably have spent the same amount of money in locks than in your bike itself. The electric bikes can be efficient, but they're way too heavy and expensive.
Somos una empresa nacida en Barcelona, compuesta por un equipo de 3 personas de nacionalidades diferentes, catalán, sueco y holandés, y hemos creado Mocycle, el monociclo más pequeño y ligero del mundo.
It goes 18 kilometers an hour, it has 20 kilometers autonomy, it weighs 9 kilos and it charges in only 45 minutes.
The Mocycle incorporates technology also used in aircraft. It is fully waterproof and includes a gyroscope. The gyroscope is there to keep the Mocycle stable at all times. The Mocycle incorporates a sensitive coil that will recycle the energy while braking. This keeps the Mocycle going for longer. The onboard computer reacts hundreds of times per second. If you've learned how to ride a bicycle or a snowboard, you will learn how to ride a Mocycle in no time.
The Mocycle is super compact and will fit even in your gym locker. It is so small you will bring it indoors and charge it in any electrical socket, just like you would with your phone. To create a better world, we bet on sustainable and efficient personal transport. To make the project a success, we need your help. You will move different.